Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO K6, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now, to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application. Let's allow access, allow again, and again, apparently again. And from here, you will see some of the contacts. As you can see, they have this tiniest little icon next to the image of like a person. So that's the icon of a SIM card, and that is how you can differentiate those contacts from the ones that are on the phone to the ones that are on the SIM card. All of those are, on the SIM card, but we can import them to the device. And to do so, all we need to do is go into the three dots and then import and export. From here, we're gonna select, import from use SIM. Go version, so that's the SIM card, processing in the background, 7 contacts imported, and there we go. As you can see, now they are doubled because they are still in a SIM card, so they're showing up as SIM card and a non-SIM card. So now you could remove the SIM card and still have contacts on your phone. So anyway, this is how you import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.